rev it out.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Wow. I think it's on. Yeah, it's on. There we go. I hope it's good. And then,
Yeah, press start. There you go. So now it's on.
in electric
it'll
mode.
just start you off in electric. So it'll cruise a little in electric just to get a feel for it.
Okay. My seatbelt on.
Yep.
Ah.
We'll pop it and drive. And then yeah, parking brake, just push that forward. And then yeah, you're all good.
I see the nose is up, I'm guessing.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Okay.
It'll automatically lower.
It will when you hit like a certain speed.
30, 35.
Okay.
So it's like getting out of the neighborhood and stuff. You might as well, but
yeah,
you don't need it. But
steering is pretty stiff. Feels good.
It's all hydraulic steering still, which I think they're the only manufacturers still doing hydraulic, which is pretty cool.
Okay. And now what's the range on the battery on here? I see it's at 13 right now. Is it like 20 to start?
Yeah, I mean it's official like rated range is 11, but
okay.
yeah, it should do about like 19.
Okay.
Yeah,
19 miles on that.
Just depends how hard you're getting on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's about 90 horsepower electric motor. I think about 160 foot-pounds.
Okay.
Something like that. So, no, it's not a lot. Like in electric, it's not fast, but like definitely totally fine to get around town or like through traffic and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Then yeah, you hit comfort, and so in comfort, the car is going to decide like gas motor, electric motor, which one to use. Kind of prioritizing efficiency, but like if you give it enough throttle, that throttle position is going to turn the gas motor on.
Okay.
And left here. Yeah, I'll just put it up to, or I'll even do track. Just do that.
Okay. Screw it, why not?
Yeah.
Straight to track.
Yeah, I mean it doesn't do the suspension separate.
Yeah.
So.
But the throttle and steering is going to be in track. That's what gets affected.
Throttle gets a little more modulated actually, so not as sensitive.
Oh, okay.
Which I actually like because you know you want to be able to put the power down smooth like mid corner.
Yeah.
And yeah, a little more aggressive on the shifting.
And the shift too.
Especially in automatic, you'll notice it'll definitely try to keep you higher in the revs in track mode.
Yeah.
It likes to be revved out.
And then you just click the paddles and it automatically puts it in that manual mode. I'm guessing that's an auto manual.
So AM, yeah, exactly. What'll happen in that though is it'll, after a certain time, it'll kick you back to auto.
Okay, if you don't use them.
Yeah.
Feels really good.
Yeah.
Oh, and you're right, now it's back in auto.
I'm pretty darn comfortable for...
Yeah.
I mean...
For track mode. I mean, I know the suspension isn't in that right now, but... like, really comfy.
In the equivalent Lambo or something, you're just getting knocked around.
Yeah, really super bumpy and stuff like that. No, this is not like that at all.
The track mode's still proper, stiff.
Yeah.
You know, track car style. full manual, it's just that.
Oh, okay, awesome. Yep. And then if you're gonna go back into automatic, you just hit drive again? Or you just hit it again?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, nice.
Back in auto.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I guess I'll keep this just for now.
Yeah, try
I'll see
it.
what it's like.
Yeah, get on again. Come on. You got a ways on this. A little ways. Half a mile.
It's so smooth, like just picking up to. That's ridiculous.
I think you're right on community.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very smooth. I like that throttle kind of throw and feel. Like I was telling you, it's a little more modulating in track. It's like if you want to punch it, sure, but if you also want to like put it down
smoothly, yeah, you can, whatever you want to do.
The back end just feels a little more locked down.
Okay. The gas motor.
It's not, like if you were to look at a like power curve of it, and then we'll take a left on Old Shelter Rock up here a little ways. Yeah, so it's really spiky initially with the electric motor, and then it tapers off quite a bit. It's still giving power high in the RPMs, but it tapers off a lot to very little. But it's, you know, about 90 horsepower and I think 160 foot-pounds.
Okay.
For the electric motor. But it's all definitely just like early on to just assist, kind of get it to where the turbos can take over, you know.
Got it. Brakes feel really good too.
Yeah.
Are they carbon ceramics?
Yep.
Okay.
That's standard on them.
Nice.
Yeah, I like the pedal feel. It's, you know, it's firm, but it's not. Some cars are like, which I like. I'm sure if it's a track car, being really firm, but when a street car gets a little old.
Yeah. I can see that.
But they're definitely not like touchy and soft, which I really
No, not at all.
Yeah, I like to have to put in at least a little effort.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely not.
Yeah. Past, and then up to that. You came in that way.
Yeah. Right up here to the right.
Yep.
Now with the nose lift, do you have to stop?
No, I just
completely,
hit it.
or it'll just
Yeah. And like by the time you reach it, it'll be up.
Yeah.
It's probably about 8 seconds to get it all the way.
That 8 seconds to go up.
8, 10.
There it is.
Like that.
Just in time. So no cut at all. Don't have to turn.
No. Yeah, you're good. Just hit it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not. See that? Yeah. Like that's.
I mean, yeah, I went over it earlier with it low, and you know, just 5 miles an hour over it was fine. A little bumpy, but
okay.
This is the easiest way to shut it off.
Yeah, that's what you said. It just automatically puts it in. Otherwise, you would just neutral and then parking brake it.
So if you want to keep the motor on, neutral and parking brake.
Okay, and that's their park mode.
Yeah, exactly. Yep.
And then I see it goes into P, I guess, on there.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Cool.
Little.